Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to change a system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. On the second position we've got language and region, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see in this section, we've got the language. We've got only English one, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, just tap, and your device will ask you if you want to change the language. So simply tap on yes, and as you can see the previously chosen language immediately appears on this list. What's more, it appears at the very top, which simply means that currently it is a default language. If you've got like 2, 3 or many different languages added here to this list, then you can change them just by swiping their positions. So let me set English, just tap on it, hold it, and as you can see right now you can move it around. So let's drag it to the first position and your device will ask you if you want to change it. So let me tap on it. That was probably change language to English, and as you can see the English is right now a default language, so it is set. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this 3-dot icon here, tap on edit, mark the language. As you can see, we cannot mark the one which is currently set, and tap on delete, and as you can see we've got only English left. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.